video?
Santa is pretty sneaky. Need help?
Daddy.
You want some help?
Beautiful.
There you go.
Huh, you got your hands in the Andy Wolf on you?
Nope. Nope, you're going to have to do it the hard way today.
Is that a book?
Yeah.
Let's
What
look
kind
at
of book
it.
is it, Mom?
It says Princess Bedtime Stories.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Look.
My favorite hat.
Your favorite hat?
My favorite friend.
Well, don't say they're your favorite till you're done opening everything. Okay?
See, it's all
Look
kinds
at,
of new
you see,
stuff.
we got all kinds of books
Alright,
in there
hold
too. We're gonna leave them in there for now.
Open
though,
another
okay?
one.
And you can play with them after you're done opening more gifts. You got lots to open.
What you got in there, Kaden? Pull it out. Pull it out of there.
Nope, that's mine. This is your pile.
All you're doing is tearing the wrappers off. You need to get in the box, too. Daddy's probably going to need to come and help you. Yeah, get in the box.
It's a game. Open this.
Get in these boxes.
This is the
Okay.
only present I want.
Get inside there.